Before we get started, make sure to download Node.js at nodejs.org. Then create folder for your Node.js project. Make sure to open the file for you to save all your project. Similar to this, which I created a file already. Next, run your terminal, then let's check the version of the Node.js installed. This also assures that your Node.js is installed inside your computer. Inside your terminal, type in node-v for the version. Next, let's create a new React file using npx or node package execute followed by create React app, then a desired file name for your project. In my case, I use Hello World as the file name of my project. This will take time because it installs a lot of JavaScript dependencies inside the project. Depending on your computer speed, this takes longer for other computers. Once all dependencies installed, you'll find multiple script files, HTML and CSS inside the project. These are all inside the SRC or source file. Now we run the following command inside the terminal to start the React development server by changing directory or CD, then the file name of your project. Once you're inside the project, type in npm start. To run our project, wait for it to build and run all files. Then you should be able to see similar output. Congratulations, you just created and run your first React file. Finally, stop the development server by pressing the Ctrl+C on the terminal. It'll prompt you to enter the letter Y, yes or no, to confirm whether you want to stop the development server. Input Y and press the Enter key to confirm. This will allow you to write over the terminal again. Again, you can practice to build your file, then press Ctrl+C to stop the development server. Next is on examining files and directories of the React project. Open the project directory in your favorite editor. Here's the React project directory in VS Code. Typically, you'll often work with the files in the SRC directory. Besides CSS and SVG files, the SRC directory includes the following JavaScript files: app.js, index.js, reportwebvital.js, setuptest.js. These JavaScript files contain the code, JavaScript, and JSX code that cannot be executed directly in the web browser. We'll discuss JSX shortly. Instead, the React development server needs to transpile the code in these files to the native JavaScript code that the web browser can execute. To do that, React development server uses the following tools: Babel to transpile the JavaScript code, Webpack tool to merge the output JavaScript files into a single file called bundle.js. The following picture illustrates the process. If you view the source code of the React app at localhost 3000, you'll see the bundle.js file. Open your developer tool on your browser by pressing F12 on your keyboard and look for the codes inside the browser. This is the embedded bundle inside a React file. Now that we know how React.js works, let's try to create an output that displays Hello World. Check on the next video number 3.